Elegant home bed frame, full size, a headboard and footboard intricately made with a sturdy frame. Metal rail guarantee stability and durability. Manufacturer guarantee metal bed, SGS and ISO9001 certified. Much OEM brand experience. 1 year's warranty. Free replacement parts available. The full-size bed frame dimension: 52.4 inches width by 78.74 inches length by 43.50 inches height. No mattress come. The standard height of 12 inches is convenient for storage, making your room clean and tidy. High-quality metal frame. Strong steel tubing construction. Metal tube with powder coating, which avoiding rusty in a long period. The metal bed frame comes flat packed in one box for easy home assembly. The beard on the headboard and footboard could turn 180 degrees. No quaking and scratching. Elegant home standard bed frame can replace or accommodate any box spring without noise so that your family can get a better night's sleep without tossing and turning. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High-quality bed frame. All frames are made of 100% sturdy metal tubes. Durable, reliable metal construction. Strong mattress support with many steel slats prevents sagging and increases mattress life. Number 2. Enough storage space. The full-size bed stands 12 inches off the floor for easy storage. Sufficient under-bed storage space to put some boxes or clothes or quilts for you. Number 3. Easy assembly. The queen bed frame comes flat packed in one box for easy home assembly. All parts with a clear label. Easy to assemble with very clear instructions for installation. Number 4. Worry-free warranty. Products from the factory to provide 3 years 100% after-sales warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.